Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, it's Michael here, and we just added a new mod to our Tecware B68 keyboard. So, um, few things. In my previous video, I said that I was gonna change the switch of the keyboard from the Gateron Blacks to yellow switches. By the way, these are linear switches, so they don't have the tactile and the clicky feels. They just go straight down. And the mods that were applied to the switches, it was just basically lubed, and film was added as well. I didn't do it myself because I don't have the technical know-how, but I asked someone from the Cebu mechanical keyboard enthusiasts to work on the switches. So shout out to bro Dennis Hanoy. Good job, bro. Anyways, for a while, gonna have the strip down and the changing of the switches, and I'm gonna have a short sound test so that we could get to hear how the milky yellow that is lubed and filmed sounds like. So let's get right to it. Alright. And we're done removing the keycaps, and next up is we're gonna remove the Gateron Black switches. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, and we're done removing the Gateron Black switches, and we're now gonna replace it with the Milky Yellow. Okay. And by the way, these Milky Yellow switches have been lubed and filmed by bro Dennis Canoy from Cebu Mechanical Keyboard Enthusiasts. Yeah, we're gonna try out this modded switches, and let's see how it fares against the Gateron Black switches. Alright, and we are done with the assembly of the Tecware B68 keyboard. And Right up next is the sound test for the Gateron Milky Yellow switches that is lubed and filmed. Stay tuned. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, in which I'm pretty sure you didn't. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. And if you do have any questions, comments, or any violent reactions, just drop a comment and or send me a message from anything that you like. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll be signing out. Bye bye.